Today I'm giving you precision. Imagine this. A hug happens. Brief, natural, unplanned. And in that moment, without words, everything is decided. Not by the hug itself, but by what you do after. Here's what most men never realize. They don't lose attraction in big moments. They lose it in moments that feel harmless. Moments where they reveal too much. Have you noticed how one small reaction can quietly change the entire tone? Stay with me, because once you see this, you'll never respond the same way again. Why small moments decide everything. Most men obsess over big moments, dates, confessions, escalation. But attraction is decided in small moments. Moments where instinct takes over, where behavior isn't rehearsed, where regulation is tested. A hug is one of those moments. It's close, but not intimate. Physical, but not sexual, which makes it revealing. Because how you respond shows your emotional posture without a single word. What a hug actually communicates. A hug is not just touch, it's information. It communicates. Comfort, expectation, control. Most men misread it as a reward, so they hold longer. Add emotion, try to extract more. They believe more is better. It's not. What matters isn't the hug, it's how grounded you are inside it. Women don't interpret hugs literally. They read regulation. The mistake that kills attraction quietly. Here's the mistake most men make. They cling, not physically, emotionally. Their breathing changes, their body tightens, their energy spikes. And that spike is felt instantly. It communicates one thing. I needed this. Need doesn't feel affectionate. It feels unstable. Affection is fine. Dependence is not. Strong men don't cling. They remain composed. The response starts before the hug. The correct response doesn't start after the hug. It starts before it. In mindset. If you see a hug as validation, you'll respond like someone seeking it. If you see it as a moment, nothing more, you'll respond calmly. Strong men don't assign meaning prematurely. They let moments be what they are. That neutrality is authority. What women are subconsciously checking in a hug, a woman isn't thinking. She's feeling, and her nervous system is asking one question. Is he stable? She feels your breathing, your tension, your pace. If your body is calm, she relaxes. If your body is eager, she pulls back, even if she doesn't know why. Calm regulates. Eagerness destabilizes. The correct response without technique. This is not about technique. It's about absence of excess. You don't squeeze, you don't linger, you don't extract. You match the moment, and you release. Strong men let moments end naturally. They don't milk them. They don't resist the ending. That ease is felt immediately. Why ending first matters. The person who ends contact sets the emotional frame. Most men wait to be released. Strong men don't wait. They sense the moment and let go calmly. This isn't rejection. It's composure. And people don't remember touch. They remember how it ended. The fastest way. Men undo everything. This is where most men fail. They speak too soon. They say things like, "That felt nice. I liked that. I missed that." These words aren't wrong. They're revealing. They turn a shared moment into a request. Strong men don't narrate moments. They let moments stand on their own. Silence after closeness is not awkward. It's powerful. The power of doing nothing. Doing nothing is often the strongest response. No commentary, no reassurance, no meaning extraction, just presence. That presence says, I'm comfortable with closeness. I don't need to secure it. I can let it go. Restraint creates contrast. Contrast keeps attention alive. Why stillness reads as confidence. After a hug, you're still being read. Your posture, your breathing, your pace. If you rush, you signal uncertainty. If you remain still, you signal composure. Composure isn't stiffness, it's ease. Ease says, I can let closeness end without tension. That ease is rare, and rarity is attractive. Comfort versus need. Comfort is calm presence. Need is urgency. After a hug, need shows up as hovering. Leaning back in over-affirming comfort shows up as release stillness, natural transition. Women don't analyze this. Their nervous system does. And the nervous system always trusts comfort more than need. Why this feels uncomfortable? This feels uncomfortable because it removes false control. You're not managing the moment. You're managing yourself. Most men want to do something. Strong men tolerate restraint. They let moments pass without extraction. That tolerance is power. Remember this. A hug does not create attraction. Your response does. Do not cling. Do not comment. Do not extract meaning. Release calmly. Remain grounded. Move forward. Because the man who is comfortable letting closeness end is the man closeness returns to. Welcome to Stoic silence.